Welcome back everyone to our Microsoft Word tutorial series for beginners. In today's episode we are diving into part 5 where we will explore the powerful insert menu and learn how to seamlessly insert pictures into our documents. So let's get started. Before starting the tutorial, I am requesting all of you to subscribe my channel. If already subscribed, thanks a lot. So let's go to the desktop screen. Dear viewers, now we are in the desktop screen, so let's get started. Before we starting the tutorial, we have to open a Microsoft Word document. Just I have opened a document here. Now where we can go, just go to the insert menu, then find out the pictures, because today's tutorial is about the insert picture. So hit the picture, then you can see here there are three options here: this device, stock images, online pictures. What is this device? I mean, this device means this is the pictures, this is the option from where you can insert your picture from your device as well. So at first option you can insert your desired picture from your own PC or laptop. Just put or keep the cursor here. Whatever you want to use your own pictures, just keep. You have to put your cursor at first. Just I want to add an image here. This now I kept or put my cursor here. Then go to the picture, hit the first option, this device. Then I have to choose my desired picture here. Just click this, then insert, hit the insert. Then here you can drag it, you can make it large or small as well, whatever you like. Here are some options, layout option here. This is the layout option. By using this layout option, you can use your image according to your own desired position as well. So this is the desired position. Yes, this is the first option. You are watching. This is the first option about the insert picture here. This device has been completed as well. So we can go to the stock image number 2 option here. Stock image. What is the stock image? Unleash your imagination with premium content from the stock image library. I mean, stock image is the source of stock image where you can get the premium quality stock images from the Microsoft Word library, but you have to connect it with your laptop or PC with the internet as well at first. So if you hit these stock images, then there will be some pictures here, in images here. There are some main option here: images, icons, cutout people, stickers, illustration, and cartoon people. Whatever you like, just select. Just you have to select. Now I will select an icon here. Just icon. This is the icon. Just click it and then go to the insert. Yes, the image has come up. But remember, your PC or laptop must be connected with the internet before using the insert menus, pictures, and stock images. Now go to the online pictures. This is the same category as well. You must be connected with the laptop or connected with the internet. You must be connected with the internet before using this option, online picture. You can search here. Just I can write here mango, mango, hit the enter, then mango will come up. You have many mangoes here. Just choose your desired picture, then click it, Just I click this, then hit the insert, then download it, then Mango has come up. Then you can make it large, make it small, whatever you like. This is the way. I hope I have completed the 3 option here about the insert menu. This is the 3 options here. So I hope this video will be helpful for you for using or adding picture or inserting picture into your document as well. So you are also invited to watch my next tutorial number 6 about the Microsoft Word. We will discuss about the shapes in the next tutorial. You are invited to watch the shapes tutorial number 6. So goodbye for today. Allah Hafiz.